Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys make sure to subscribe our channel. Hope this video will be helpful for you and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So let's talk about our first opportunity. So that is from Cisco, as you can see right now. So Cisco is basically hiring for the role of technical system engineer intern. Let's discuss further about this. So the location that they're going to offer is Bangalore. As you can see, talking about the job description. So in Cisco, we have an outstanding opportunity where we actually get to use the technology we build. We are innovators, accelerator, transformation. So what you will do, perform IT functions such as design, analysis, evaluation, testing, debugging, implementation, integration, and operations of new tool system or third-party products to deliver or provide updates to business processes and operations and network-based product system. Specify, build, maintain, and support infrastructure, analyzes, installs, acquires, modifies, and supports operating system. Focused on configuring, installing, upgrading, monitoring, and scripting of existing infrastructure. So certain points has been given regarding your responsibilities that you will be doing in that particular role, so you can just go through it. We'll be moving further. So who you are. So currently pursuing a bachelor or master of engineering degree in computer science or information science, CGPA of 8.0 and above out of 10, and the requirement is for 2022 pass out only. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch. So if you're from 2020 batch and 2022 batch and satisfying the eligibility criteria, then you can apply for the same. Also, you should be having excellent written and verbal communication skills, must be fluent in English, ability to simply and effectively communicate complex technical concepts to stakeholders, strong problem solving skills, attentive to detail, proficient in VPN technology, software load balancing, DNS, application gateways, familiar with standard programming languages, knowledge and experience with server of various operating system or middleware, knowledge and experience with Cisco UCS, proficiency of CI/CD tool security mindset and orchestration, proficient in cloud connector, and container technology such as AWS, GCP, and all. So you can just go through it, and if you are meeting the eligibility criteria and you're interested in the role as well, then make sure to apply for this opportunity. Talking about our next opportunity, so that is from Tokopedia. So here this is the post from Anmol Kukar. So hello connections, here you can see he has mentioned about the hiring. So Tokopedia is offering great opportunities for the fresher who are interested in front end development. So the interested candidate can go through our job description or can directly reach out to me at this particular mail provided by him. So for this role, what you all need is you should be from 2021 batch who have studied bachelor's or master degree in computer science, information technology, programming, knowledge of any one or two languages such as Java, C, C++, or Python, good knowledge of computer science fundamentals such as OOPS, data structure, algorithm, etc. Good knowledge about JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Good to have knowledge around React.js. Good to have internship experience as well. We would be glad to know about your project and your technology know-how. Good problem solving and analytical skills, good communication skills in English, verbal as well as written. So if you are interested in this role, then you can just reach out to him on this mail. Okay. Okay, then let's talk about our next opportunity. So that is from TCS. So here, let me tell you that TCS has extended the registration date up to 30th of November. So you know that this is the phase 2 hiring from TCS. TCS off campus for year of passing 2020 and 2021. So TCS is doing lots of hiring, I should say, and they're hiring lots of freshers, right? So if still you are looking for the opportunities, then must apply for this opportunity for sure. And here you can see test commencement date also they have mentioned, and interview date will be announced soon once you'll be clearing the online assessment and all. So registration is still open till 30th of November. You can just go through it, that we received an overwhelming response from all of you during the TCS off campus drive September 2021 to harness the abundance of talent and ensure no great potential misses out on the opportunity to build a great future with us. We present you to phase 2 of TCS off campus hiring for engineering graduates from the year of passing 2020 and 2021. So more great news, candidate who perform exceptionally. So if you're doing well in this one, then you will get a chance for TCS Digital as well. So if you are performing good in this TCS and QT test, then you'll be getting a chance for TCS Digital as well. Eligible stream again BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from the year of passing 2020 and 2021. For more details on eligibility criteria, kindly refer the test eligibility section below. And again, the application process, so that will be log on to the TCS Next Step portal, register and apply for the TCS off-campus hiring. Now there can be two scenarios. What are those? So if you are already registered, then kindly log in and proceed to complete the application form. And if you are a new user, kindly click on register now, choose category as IT, and proceed to fill your details. Submit your application form and click on apply for drive. To confirm your status, you can just simply track your application. The status should reflect as applied for drive. If it is not reflecting the same, it means that still some processing has yet to be done. Still some part is yet to be done from your side. Okay, so here they have provided a test pattern as well. So what you will be having that, okay, so first of all, you will be having numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, that is about the cognitive skill. For programming, you will be having programming logic, coding section, duration, etc. Everything has been mentioned. Okay, and test eligibility criteria also they have specified, so just go through it, right? I won't be explaining, you can just go through, you can explore. If you are meeting the all eligibility criteria, then only apply. I would suggest you know that as of now they won't be checking all these things, but later on, once you are selected, there is a process of background verification, and in that process, if you are not satisfying the eligibility criteria, then sorry, you won't be taken as a part of the TCS. Your candidature will be like, even if you are holding an offer, you are selected, but if you are not satisfying their criteria during the background verification process, then they won't be taking you as a part of the TCS, right? So that's what I have to mention. Again, some frequently asked questions has been given. In case you are having any doubt or any query, you can just refer these questions. Maybe whatever doubts you are having, maybe sort out from these questions. And some important notes also they have provided, just go through it. And some email ID also they have provided, toll free helpline number as well, in case you are having any query or something. So yeah, these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, hit the like button. Also guys, do share the video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these hiring opportunities. Our main motive to record all these videos is just that we can let you know about the hiring opportunities. Sometimes the thing is that we are preparing, but we are not aware about the opportunities that are coming, we are eligible for. So please do share the video among your friends as well, and again subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.